What is happening, everyone? I hope you're all doing very well today. As you can see, I have done a little look over here. I will be posting how I did this look. I will leave a link to that video in the description, alright? So if you're interested in doing a look similar to this or like this, go check that out. I had a lot of fun doing this one. As you can see, it's pretty interesting look, but that is not what we're here for today. Today I am here to do just a basic special effects look. You know, it's a good look to try out when you're just starting. I did this similar to this, probably my second time trying out special effects makeup. So it's definitely not that hard, and it looks really, you know, intricate. So it's a good thing to have in your back pocket and know how to do. I'll give you a couple of tips along the way, and I'll let you know what you're going to be using along the way. I really hope you enjoy. You're definitely going to need some liquid latex. You're going to need a couple of cotton balls, color stay powder of some sort, or cornstarch like I said before. You're going to need some sort of coverage. I have a CoverGirl, and it's just like a pressed powder. And then I also have a Ben Nye Total Cover All Wheel. My trusty bloods, okay? So I've got some squirt blood, stage blood, and coagulated blood over here. And then just some sort of like tool that you can use to, I don't know, separate the latex in a sense. You'll understand what I'm trying to say later on. Alright, so this piece is based around the mouth area. So first thing I'm going to do is remove the makeup that I have on over there. So goodbye, awesome, shiny, yellowish lips. Bye-bye. Well, that was easy. Oh, that's done. Alright, so anyway, so I'm first going to just add powder because obviously there's moisture on my face right now, and I kind of like to have a dry surface. Maybe shouldn't talk while powdering my face. So another thing you can have nearby just in case is going to be a hairdryer, because of course it dries the latex 1,000 times faster than just trying to, you know, air dry it. Yep. So I have it nearby, plugged in and ready to go. I'm just going to put Vaseline on my lips. I don't want them to like dry out or anything like that. So if you have Vaseline or chapstick or anything like that, even lotion will do. It's just my advice to do that. I personally get dry lips pretty quickly, so I'd rather not take the risk. Get your hair out of the vicinity, because this stuff is like the worst to try and get out of your hair. Just BT dibs. Did I just say that? I'm just going to start with putting latex on the area that I kind of want to have the effect. I wonder how this is going to turn out, guys. By the way, if you want to see the other look that I did that's similar to this, I'll do it again in the future, but if you just want to have a glimpse, you can always go to my Instagram page at _JessFX. Okay, have a look at that, and if you're interested, just if you're interested, you know, if you are interested in seeing the other one I did. Alright, so good thing I was blabbing my mouth because this is sort of dried. Anyways, take a little bit of cotton wool, and the cotton balls are really cool because they roll out. It's kind of like they knew you were going to take them apart, and then you can just kind of break it apart, and obviously each time it gets thinner and thinner, so I like to just get it as thin as possible in a sense, and then you can just add around. This not only helps to do the drying process, but it also helps with the effect. Also, just keep your mouth open a little bit so that when the effect is done, you can actually close your mouth again. That is something I didn't really think about the first time I did this. Okay, so once you've kind of covered it, just all different angles and things like that, you can just go ahead and add some more latex. Start from like the corners, or the sides should I say, and kind of get those stuck down, and then you can, you know, go towards the center. At this point I would say to try and like dry it a bit. So this is looking pretty interesting at the moment. So liquid latex, you know, it is dry once it goes from white to clear on normal surface or skin. And if you're adding anything extra like the cotton wool, it's going to go from white to yellow. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of the color set powder. Just kind of blend it to your color. Like I said before, you can always test it on your neck to check if the complexion is the same. And with the Benite Turtle Cover All-Wheel, it's got a couple of different tones, so that's always nice. Gives you a couple of options to play around with. So find your right tone and just cover the entire section. Okay, again with the color set powder over the foundation. Alright, so once you've done that, you just go ahead and start adding the blood. Alright, and that is essentially it, folks. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I will be making more videos like this, and thank you for watching. I really hope to see you on the next one. Mwah! Bye bye!